changes in the activity of the neuropsychic sphere and cardiac activity in foreign medical students groups during the course. The students, once social groups in occupational distribution populations, this group of people daily for 6 years trained, engaged in mental work, different loads on the nervous and cardiovascular system, fragmented the rhythm of the organization of the production process. Physiological stress intends the condition of the body. The students often exceed the transitional framework and can purchase pathological course. Adaptation to educational process of foreign students arrived to study from India occurs in special climatic and social conditions. Therefore, the purpose of our work was to consider the impact of training loads on the neuromental and cardiac activity of medical students who arrived at training from India. The object of study: Indian students third year of LD in the amount of 30 people. Before starting the study, students were divided into 3 groups by level academic performance. Group 1 students doing excellent, Group 2 students engaged in good, Group 3 students studying at satisfactory and having problems with learning, not having time. Survey it was held in 2 stages: before the session and during the session. To identify the level of anxiety, Spielberg scale was used, and the degree of depression was assessed on Sunk scale. Objectify the impact of the stress on cardiovascular system, and ECG registration and blood pressure measurement allowed to assess changes in the CCC. Mathematical, the method was calculated cardiac release. Data processing was carried out in Excel and SPSS. Among the surveyed 30 students, 47% are engaged in excellent, 40% study at good, and have low scores and learning problems. 30% of the surveyed students. It is noteworthy that during the session, the students of the first group have a high level of anxiety and a slight level of depression, while the cardiac output they do not go beyond norms and averages. Students of the second group in the majority of the average level of anxiety and mild depression, with cardiac output in them on average is. The students of the third group mainly have a low level anxiety but severe depression and the phenomena of critical self-esteem, while their cardiac output averages. Outside the session, 97% of students reported low anxiety and a lack of depression. 3% of respondents remained moderately depressed. Thus, having analyzed the data, we concluded that neuromental sphere of students of foreign language learning is overloaded among the honors and underachieving students. At the same time, disturbing factor, session has a significant impact on the change in the mental sphere, so and increases the load on heart muscles.